உங்கள ஒருத்தவங்களா இருந்து இங்கிலீஷ் பார்ட்னர் கோர்ஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஃப்ளூவெண்டா இங்கிலீஷ் பேச கத்துக்கிட்டவங்க சிலர் ஃபீட்பேக் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. பார்க்கலாமா?
Hi, this is Naveen.
Hi, this is Nandini here.
Hi, Englishpartner course. I'm Ganesh Kumar.
I have enrolled for intermediate level.
I recently completed my advanced level English course in Englishpartner.
I joined as an intermediate student.
This is one of the best platforms to enhance the English communication.
For the way they are teaching the English language, which makes English looks much easier.
Before joining to the Englishpartner, I have sort of anxieties and hesitation.
I have faced a lot of struggles in the initial stage. I had many confusion about grammar and how to speak, something like that.
But now I'm completely rehabilitated. Communication level is better than before.
After a month, I could able to see my improvement. Now I am more proficient in English than before.
I got job with 4 lakh package in the company.
My tutor name is Mridula. She's one of the fantastic human being and she was so friendly. She helps me to enhance my communication.
I should say thanks for all my trainers.
Thanks to my trainers, they gave me some tips and tricks. I especially mentioned to Miss Faiza. She always encouraging me. She helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
And particularly and thanks to Shaz Bro, my team trainers, and Faisa man, Mitra man, and Madhumita man, all of those.
Thanks to Englishpartner.
I have a great experience with Englishpartner and thank you so much. It means a lot.
We all are changing people's life. They are all doing a great job. And thanking you too. Thanking you all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.